Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Bluetooth stack so the system can talk to Airpods. Install Blues and Pulse Audio, then open PavuControl to manage syncs. Once done, enable and start the Bluetooth service with systemtil enable now Bluetooth so it persists across reboots. Make sure the adapter isn't soft or hard blocked by running rrefkill unblock Bluetooth and checking Bluetooth show to confirm an active controller. These steps provide the low-level kernel support and user audio layer you'll rely on next. Now you pair the Airpods using Bluetooth to control pairing at a precise level. Open a terminal and run Bluetooth, then run agent on and default agent to allow interactive PIN handling. Start scanning with scan on and put your Airpods in pairing mode. Watch for the MAC address that appears. When you see the MAC, run pair MAC followed by trust MAC to allow automatic reconnection. Finally, run connect MAC. This sequence avoids GUI timing issues and explains why pairing sometimes fails. Finish by routing audio correctly and resolving common codec issues. Open PavuControl and set your Airpods as the output sync and set the profile to A2DP for high-quality audio. If you need a microphone, switch to hands-free audio for input, but expect lower quality. If A2DP profiles are missing, install Pipewire or Aphono replacements, and restart Pulse Audio or enable Pipewire media services. Test audio playback and microphone. Troubleshooting tip. If pairing or audio fails, remove the device in Bluetooth tool, reboot the Bluetooth service, and repeat the pairing sequence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.